Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Take Afro. Hope you all are doing great. So today I'm here to show you how to change time zones on iPhone. So go to settings and go to your privacy and security and then tap location services. From here turn it off and now go back, and then from here go to screen time, turn off your screen time here, and then go back and now go to general. From here go to date and time and then set automatically, turn it on, and then go to time zone. So yeah, this is how you can change time zones on iPhone. Thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon button. See you in the next video. Bye bye.